Hey everybody, we're hanging out there in a happy place. No, Lily, come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. We're hanging out in our happy place. Lily. Okay, look, come over here. Come on. Right here. Come on. Come on. We're hanging out in our happy place doing some yoga. Now, Lily hasn't quite caught on that we're recording right there. She keeps walking on, stepping on everything. Hey, psst, psst. What are you eating? What are you eating? Oh, that's nasty. She's eating tree nuts. Yeah, we're hanging out here doing some yoga stretches, listening to the music. This is a happy place with a swing arm. My neighbor kids come hang out over here too sometime. And I want to remind you guys about the workshop we got going on tonight. Accountability workshop, how to hold the courts of the officers. Y'all know them people jogging with y'all over there. How to hold them accountable. Tonight at 8 o'clock Central Standard Time, we got a few seats left. Lily, don't chase your tail right now, okay? Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Okay, I'm trying to do something here. Okay, so yeah, we got a few seats left open, so if you're interested, give me a call. 913-240-0227. And get in line, because we stretching out right now in the yoga, getting ready for the situation tonight. Because we're going to be bringing fire. Wow. Fire in the hole. That's, my dad used to be a Marine, so that's fire in the hole. When he said that, it was going down. You had to get ready. Y'all get ready and call me if you haven't registered yet. We got a few seats left open. We got a couple people that didn't make it back from Christmas, so they're out. No, they'll get the video and then they'll obviously get invited to the next one, because this ain't the first one, because we still learning.
What's up, man?
From the real-time feedback.
Okay. What you doing, man? What's up?
Okay, Lily thinks it's time.
Hey, man, go ahead, take it to the cosmos. I said, I got the cosmos. Going down 106 Street, catch that ball. Oh, man, don't do it to me.
She learned how to box. I think bite, but we working on it. This is how she acts when she gets excited. We're working with her so she ain't biting. So she don't bite so hard. Come over here. Now don't bite my face. You're not supposed to bite my face. Okay? Yeah, come on there. You're knocking over, dude. Okay, you gotta settle down now. You're knocking over stuff. This is the first time in the yoga situation, because it's been too cold to come out here. Hey, look at my mat. Come over, sit down. Come on. Sit down. Thank you. She's really excited still. She's learning a few things. Yeah, I got 5 seconds of the command, and then she's got to go. All right, you guys, don't miss it tonight. 8 o'clock Central Standard Time. Bam. We got to get this stretching done, and get in there and get everything wrapped up, so we be ready to go. Want to play? Want to play? Yeah, they want to play. So, we finna play. No, that's mine. Stop taking my stuff. But we play a little rough over here. Pro Se Lawsuit Center. We play just a little bit rough, and they can't. They don't know what to do. Are we done here? Missy, give me kisses. Give me kisses. Give me kisses. Come on. Hey. Give me kisses. Hey, give me kisses. Come on. Give me kisses. Thank you. Now we need to settle down. No, they didn't see that. Give me kisses again. Give me kisses again. Give me kisses. Right here. Okay. Now we need to settle down now. Thank you. We're done here.